Jennifer Anderson, President MAV, coming after our board meeting today. Today we were really privileged to have the Victorian Independent Remuneration Tribunal come and visit us. They had requested to come and see us because they have put a letter to the Minister for Local Government to try and bring forward a more substantial review of the remuneration for mayors, deputy mayors and councillors, and we're totally in support of that. We've heard from a lot of you how much hard work it is and the length of time taken to be a councillor now. So they've appreciated that a lot has changed from when they were first brought in to analyse these allowances. So watch this space, we're going to work with them. We totally support the need to have a much stronger overhaul of what is an appropriate remuneration for a councillor in today's day and age. So thank you to the Tribunal for coming in and speaking to us today. We also discussed things that we continue to advocate on, and of course that includes the Emergency Services Volunteer Fund. So just continue to watch this space. We are working very hard in the background with state government, again to try and get the best outcome for our councils and our communities. There's nothing I can really say at this stage, but we do continue to work hard on your behalf, and we really appreciate the efforts of everyone out there in the community who has also been doing that advocacy work. We endorsed our budget for the year. Now that always takes a lot of time, and so there'll be more to come. We'll be bringing you more about our annual action plan for our strategic plan that we released last year. But things are progressing really, really well with that, and more exciting things to come in lots of areas. The board was updated on our Future is Local Phase 2 campaign. So this builds off the back of Make Good Happen that we did for the federal election. So we all know there's a state election coming up next year. So we'll be working hard on our advocacy and our asks around that. So it's great that we're getting in early. This is the first time we've done this as a state government campaign as well. Another item that the board endorsed was a submission to the Victorian Transmission Plan. My understanding is there's quite a lot of drafts going around to do with the renewable energies in Victoria at the moment, and it was great that our board members could provide some input to that based on what's going on in their regions. So it's a very high level recommendations just to ensure that communities and councils do get benefit from whatever the decisions are made in terms of infrastructure, contribution, just lots of things to consider. So I think it's a really good submission. The board was really pleased, and also pleased that they could provide some further input. So thank you to our staff for considering all aspects and putting forward those important points.